Hello traders, welcome to our YouTube channel once again. Today is another amazing day. This week is going to be productive. There is so much money we're going to be making. I think you remember one time I told you that I am now using my funded accounts and they are doing very well. So this is one of my funded accounts and I will give you a video about how to get your own funded account. They are so easy to get, they are so affordable. They start from $30 US, so anyone can have it. I'm going to give you a video about that one, but today I just want to give you a quick review of the settings we use for our MACD and RSI. I just want to give you those settings today, but maybe just for a recap, we all remember that from the previous video I was telling you about that, how do we use the MACD. Maybe for those who didn't get the video, we say the first step is to wait for price to hit the 89 line level or to hit the 9 line level, and then we wait for price to close below the 79 line level and close above the 18 line level, and then that is when we come down to the MACD and check for price to be coming below the 0 line level or above the 0 line level. For instance, at this point over here, let's say over here price did touch the 89 line level, and then over here price closed below the 79 line level, and then when you check against that, you can see that price closed below the 0 line level on the MACD, and then that is when you can place your sell entry. As you can see that, because we were just up here, and then as you can see that really price began to sell. So that is how easy it is, maybe for a quick buy session. At the same time, you're just going to wait for price to touch the 9 line level, and then we wait for price to close above the 18 line level, and then we just go down and we see price closing above the 0 line level on the MACD, and then we know that we can place our buy entries. So that's it. That was what that video was all about, my dear friends. So right now I just want to show you the settings. It's not going to be that much, it's just a quick thing. So let's say on the MACD, these are the settings that we have. On fast EMA we've got 12, and then slow EMA we've got 26, and then on MACD SMA we've got 9. And then we put apply to close, and then you can just use any color you want, any option of the colors you have here. You can just use them. I can even put red maybe for the signal, and then I'll have to put another color since I've already placed red on that one. So on the signal I can just use black, it will still work for me. And then you're just going to go up here and then you click save. So after that we have our settings ready to work on the chart. Like you can see now, this is how it looks like. So you can just make it look like anyhow you want. Then you can go back again to the indicators. For RSI, you're just going to apply to close after you've inserted period 1 over there, and then we can use 4 pixel. And remember again, as I always say, that you just have to click this one. So when you click there, we are now going to find the numbers inserted this side, as you can see on my chart. But then on your chart you will only find that you have got only 2 digits, so you're just going to use that plus sign up there. So when you click that plus sign, it's going to give you numbers, and then you're going to use 95, 89, 79, 0, 18, 9, 7. Then for the style, let's continue using 3 pixel, which is going to be black. Or maybe for a change, let me change the color so that you can see something that side. So I want to show you how does this thing work. Remember to click save up there, and then if you come this side on the chart, you will see that this is basically what I was just trying to calibrate. So I was just trying to calibrate my SRI, as easy as that. And then we can go back there. Or for those who are not sure where to find the indicators, please just go up there, click that sign over there, and then you're going to come to the indicator button, and then you can use the F function over there on the chart. But for now, since we want to add moving average, you are going to come to indicator window 1. So right now we click indicator window 1, and then that is where you are going to find moving average. So that is how simple it is. Moving average is just this one over there. So when you go back there, moving average, let's put period 60, shift 0, method exponential, and then we're going to apply to close, and we use 2 pixel, and then we click save. So that is how easy it is to have our indicators on this side. Remember, it's not that complicated. As you can see, the strategy that I've been telling you about is really working, my dear friends. This is amazing. Truly, this is so amazing. It's really promising. It's really promising, I'm telling you. So maybe let me just open one. Let me open this highest one. So let me open that one. So as you can see, we said that we wait for price to touch the 9 line level, then wait for price to be above 18 line level, and then we come down and we check for price to be above the 0 line level on the MACD. That is how simple this thing is. Maybe someone has not even been noticing this, but it's working. It's really working. It's profitable. Even here, for instance, you can just see this example over here. You can see that price did touch the 9 line level, and then price came to close above the 18 line level, and that's the reason why we now have this over here. Then you can put or place your buy entry, and really, you, as you can see from here, because that is where we were, and then you see that price began to go up. So that those are the settings, my dear friends. I just wanted to make a video and show you the settings, and to prove to you that this strategy is really working. Please feel free to subscribe. I've got a lot in store for you. I really have a lot in store for you to show you from today. So see you next time.